We're out on site today with Rachel Contracting in Minneapolis at a demolition site. You're out here right now using two Steelwrist SQ quick couplers with a variety of tools with adapter blades.
We're on like a 39-acre parcel. The building is about 335,000 square feet, 3 levels. Our scope of work is to demolish the building, backfill it, bring it up to grade, to drain, and turn it back over to the Dakota County Community Development Agency. Usually you come out here, see the guys out there punching pins out, disconnecting, reconnecting hoses. With the Steelwrist connection, couple minutes, new attachments on. Efficiency all around.
The main thing is we want to be able to transition between all the different attachments that we're using all the time. Jobs are always dynamic, and being able to have Steelwrist and be able to go from one to the other seamlessly, it gives us the opportunity to be flexible.
The Steelwrist works great. Uncouple what you have, put the other tool on, and you're done in about 30 seconds. It's just nice to go from tool to tool and hook up and go. It's really quick and easy to operate. It's a big game changer.
You can look around and see all the attachments here, and they're getting more hours upon one excavator instead of having multiple excavators. The efficiencies are up 25% very easily. They never stop working.
Previously, you would have seen 4 or 5 machines with those same attachments here, or an operator having to get out of the cab to swap in between those attachments. You also notice, without having to worry about connecting or disconnecting any lines, you don't have any hydraulic fluid lost. So on a clean site such as this, you don't have to worry about the hazardous condition that hydraulic oil could create.
Steelwrist has been really good to us. For the guys being able to use machine controls to make those tool changes, gives them the confidence that in a quick matter of time, they can grab that correct tool and not just kind of make do with what they have. Steelwrist just flat out saves you time and money. It helps you utilize the tools that you have correctly, and it keeps the guys safe and out of the elements as much as we can.
As everybody knows, labor is a huge factor, cost is a huge factor as well. But because of this system, it'll help the industry become more efficient.
The product is proven, but once they see it, we hear it all the time. Should have done this a long time ago.